Hey folks, Keith here from Dual Sport Journey, and we're back in the shop with the SCL500. What you just watched was just a real quick kind of checkup service that I like to do at about 200-300 miles. We're at currently about 350 miles, so I thought it'd be a good time just to check over everything. You probably noticed the chain definitely needed adjusting, but you have to assume that that's going to happen. A brand new chain, the first couple 100 miles, it's going to stretch quite a bit. So you can be assured that that's going to need to be adjusted. Also, as you can see, I like to keep them really clean. I clean them quite often. The chain just lasts longer if you can do that. So other than that, there's really not a lot to report. The bike continues to break in nicely. Everything just really feels good on the bike. No complaints whatsoever. So really the only thing left for me to do is continue to put miles on it and wait for that 500 or 600 mile oil change. The owner's manual states 600 miles for the oil change, so I like to do it between 500 and 600 miles. So I'll check back in with you again at that time. Until then, as always, be safe.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. Slip away. How much you want